Today we're going to sign up for EduFlow. EduFlow is a way to do peer editing in an anonymous way. So you won't be able to see whose paper you are giving feedback to, and you won't be able to see who gave you feedback. It's kind of a nice thing because it takes some of the peer pressure out of peer grading. So keep in mind though that even though it's anonymous for you, I can see what everybody's writing and who wrote it. So if you write some really nasty stuff on somebody's paper, I can tell who did it. So don't use this as free reign to be rude to somebody. So to sign up for EduFlow, click on this link here. And it'll take you here where it says you're enrolling in English 9. Then you'll need to click sign up. So I'm assuming you guys haven't used this before. So click on sign up. And it'll ask you to create a new account. Instead of filling all of this out, click on sign up with Google. And then choose your school ID. My school ID right now is set up as the teacher one, so to show you how to do this as a student, I'm going to use one of my personal accounts. But you guys should use your school Google account so that you can remember. And then it'll add you in as one of my students. So what you need to do first is submit your work. So click over here on submit your work. I'm guessing that most of you did this in Google Drive, so click on Google Drive, open, and then this should bring up all of your stuff. Hit allow when this comes up. And then you should be able to select whichever document you want to select and click upload. It'll do uploading and then hit submit. And then I will have it. Then when everybody else starts submitting their stuff, you will be assigned to do peer reviews. So right now for me it says hold on because nobody else has submitted anything. So once other people start submitting, it'll randomly assign you 3 different classmates' papers that you need to go through and review. There is a rubric on here that you will fill out for your classmates. It's not showing it to me right now because I don't have anybody's to grade. But once it does, there'll be a rubric for you to fill out. It'll be the same exact rubric that I'm going to use to grade you. Then after you've done 3 submissions, then it'll show you your feedback from your peers. You're going to go through and review your own work so that you can look at your own paper, and then you need to go through and you need to look at what do you think you did well, what do you think you need to keep working on, and then after your feedback comes back, you are going to reflect on your own feedback. So that is how you are going to do peer reviews. One last thing, before you submit your work, please make sure that your name isn't on the top. We talked about that in formatting, in the formatting video. If your name is on the top, then obviously this isn't anonymous. So take your name off the top if you put it up there so that this can stay anonymous and we can take the peer pressure out of peer review. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a good day. Happy reviewing.